everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing you guys with what coupons we are getting this Sunday, December 2nd. It looks like we'll be getting 2 inserts, one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. So I'm here to share with you guys. Now I always check online, I just kind of Google, I just say coupon inserts for the date that it's going to start. Usually they pop up on Mondays. Most of the time it's Tuesdays and Wednesdays when you can find it, but I always find my inserts at SundayCouponInserts.com. So I think they're pretty reliable. So another thing I do want to say is just keep in mind, not everybody gets the same inserts. A lot of these inserts I don't even get half of them. So wanted to share with you guys on that, but just keep in mind. So here we got some Advil. We got $2 off coupons. Always $1 Aussie. We got 2 off of 2, which I'm pretty excited for because I know there's gonna be an herbal essence, and I need to stock up more on my hair stuff that I use. Barbasol, here we got the razors. There's $2 off coupons. Community Coffee, $2. Dime Tap, $2. There's the herbal essence, $2 off of 2. Now we're getting KFC coupons and Krispy Kreme donut coupons. I probably won't get those, but hey, your area might get them. Niece's Hickory Smoked Bacon, 50 cents. Never heard of Niece's, so I'm just going to kind of just keep past that. Number 7 Facial Serum. Now I just kind of read somewhere that stuff's really good. If you guys use that, let me know. I'm thinking of using it just to kind of tighten my skin up a little bit, so I was thinking of possibly using that, so I'm looking for some deals for that. Polydent, we got $1.50. Pure Silk, $2. Pure Silk Shaving Cream, 50 cents. Reynolds Kitchen Parchment Paper, $1. Robitussin Honey, $2. Regular Robitussin, $2. Super Polygrip, and Whole Earth Sweetener, $2. So I'm hoping there's some good deals with that one. So that was what is in the Retail Me Not. I probably won't get any of those coupons except 1 or 2. That's how lame my inserts are. Now here we got gift sets. Adidas or Beckman fragrances gift sets for $9.89 or more. You get $3.50 off. Afrin, more gift sets, $4 off. Now there is a lot of deals going on with our app, so maybe you guys can get some good deals with like Ibotta. Here is the, I don't even know, something cheese or cream. Chex cereal, $1 off. I always make puppy chow, so I like getting those coupons. Clairol, Age Defy, Clairol, Natural, Clairol, Nice and Easy. We're getting buy one, get one free coupons. Colgate coupons, 50 cents. Not the greatest, but hey, 50 cents is 50 cents. We're getting the Colgate Total Optic White. We're getting $1 for that one. Cooked frozen meatballs, $1.50. That sounds good because I want some barbecued meatballs. I don't even know what that... I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just having a hard day filling out some words. But Don Francisco, Dr. Scholl's, Energizer batteries, $1.25, including a flashlight. I'm really hoping there's some Ibotta deals with that soon because I loved getting flashlights and giving those away for Christmas last year. Gold Bond, $1, $1.50. Hormel pepperoni products. I always get stuff like that to put in some soup. Icy hot. More perfume, Nautica, Vera Wang. We got $1 off Nivea Body Wash, and then we got $3 off of 2 of the foamy Nivea Body Wash. Nivea Men, $2 off. Nivea Men Shave, $2 off of 2. Oh, that's good. Pizza. I think that's Oprah. Pillsbury Refrigerated Baked Products, $1 off of 3. Purina. Here we got Rubbermaid, $1 off. Schick Razors, $3. $1. $3. Smarty Pants, $2. St. Joseph's, Stetson, $2.50. White Castle and White Castle. That was all that's coming out in the inserts this Sunday, so just keep in mind that you guys may or may not get some of these coupons. I know usually what I get and what I don't get, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.